Hey everyone, Kavi from Dishum here. I'd love to show you today how to cook our vegan sausage naan roll kit. In the kit, you would have got vegan sausages, and these are absolutely delicious. The next thing you'll also find in the kit are some dough balls. We've sent you 3, and we know it's a breakfast for 2, but quite often I mess up, so don't worry, you have a spare one just in case you need it. You also have some coriander and some vegan cream cheese, as well as our delicious tomato chili jam. You really want the dough to be at room temperature before you start working with it. We're going to get the pan here onto a medium to high heat and pop in a little bit of oil. In your kit you would have received 4 sausages. They take about 6 to 8 minutes in the pan. You'll know they're done once the skins are nice and crispy. So what I'm going to do is just put those in the pan now. So it's been about 7 minutes now. Just turn the heat off and take the pan and place it to the side. Get the other frying pan, get that onto a very high heat. Because what we're going to do is use the hot pan to cook the bottom of the naan, and then the pan is going to go into a very high grill to cook the top. Get the shelf in the grill as high as it can go so you can slide the pan in and the top of the naan will cook evenly. A piece of advice though, that the naan will puff up, so don't put it so close that it touches the top, otherwise it will end up burning. So just a couple of drops of oil, and then we'll spread it all over with our hand. What we're looking to do is roll the naan dough out to about 20 centimeters, which means it will fit into the pan perfectly. And once you get to a shape and size you're happy with, then you just want to let the naan sit for a little bit, just so it can get used to that new shape before it goes into the pan. Just pick up the dough like that and place it into the pan for about 30 seconds. I'm just going to take it over to the grill. In the grill, we want it on a high setting, as high as your grill goes. And it takes about 45 to 60 seconds under the grill. Fantastic, look at that, it's bubbled and browned on top. That's exactly what we're looking for. That's cooked perfectly, it's bubbled up and it's got some lovely color on top. What we're gonna do is just wrap that in a tea towel. Now the naans are cooked, time to assemble the vegan sausage naan roll. The first thing you're gonna do is slice the sausages in half, take that puffy side and face it down like that. The next thing you need to do is cover the whole thing with half the cream cheese. You want to put all the fillings in the bottom half, the half closest to you. And the next thing that goes on top of the sausages is the tomato chili jam. Give it a stir and drizzle over the sausages. The last bit that goes into the naan is some coriander. Fold it over the top, just like that. Slice it and put it onto the plate. And there you guys have it, a vegan sausage naan roll from our home to yours with love.